Is this a good fake laugh? Yo, it's Ugly Uggs. I got voice and speech problems. My name is Ariana Grande. I'm an anime cartoon. I don't know what to do with my hands because I can't dance. That's why I brought these tools. My heart is safe. It's hella creepy because I look like I'm 11 and in a pageant with honey. You just killed a perfect pop song.
I was out late partying till 2. So sorry to disappoint you. I could stay and whisper it for you.
Well, I guess that's better than nothing.
That's $50 for a t-shirt.
Get out of here, Macklemore.
Sorry, thought I heard my hook.
This is a song of the summer, and that's a bummer, cause it kind of flows. But all you kids are gonna buy it, because you like them. My shitty show. Honey, tell us to time. It pulls back my eye. It's making me look kinda crazy, and kinda Asian, but it's my one hit too. Everyone's saying I'm done, that's Mariah. I'm not imposed, and I can't sing higher.
I'll touch my face cause it looks cool. I'm not really sure what else to do, but I want to stay and support you.
Just go home, you sound like God, no.
Okay, I actually feel sick. And again, so sorry about this. Just give my rap to the white chick.
Well, that's one less paycheck.
Wait, I'm not getting paid for this. Hold on.
Excuse me, sir. Big booty Betty busting out some bubblicious bling. I ain't got the slightest clue what the hell I'm saying. My voice is a cross between a baby and Biggie and Bang. For the 100th time, no, I'm not actually Marlon Wayne. My first name is Ziggy, my last name's Azalea. Now I ain't from the hood, I'm actually Australian. I'm huffing and puffing and bluffing, just filling up the space. This is the vocal equivalent of blackface. They say I'm ridiculous, a chick version of Pitbull. I would say that's accurate, so you can call me Pitbull. How much would a woodchuck if it could chuck wood? I got 99 verses, but they ain't that good like that. I wake up running problems. Yeah, I know that. However, I got street cred cause of my bum.
Joe? Hi, Joe! Hey, Tyler. Thanks. But yeah, those are the people we're giving shoutouts to because this came in reverse order. So thank you for watching our parody of a parody of Problem by Ariana Grande featuring Iggy Azalea. This is the real Iggy Azalea.
Yep.
Okay, anyways, please like this video. It took a lot of work. And that's it. Bye-bye. She loves Joe.